Winter, it is here, maybe early. This cold, record-breaking for some through the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. It's already been historic, and we've already said it a couple of times this fall. The coldest air of the season is on its way. And I'll say it again, the coldest air of the season is on its way for people in the Midwest and the Northeast. These waves of Arctic air, they've been persistent. And with each subsequent air mass that we've received from Canada to the north, it's been just a little colder. And as we get deeper into December, it makes sense, right? Air typically gets colder, but we're still talking the potential of record-breaking cold across a good chunk of the Midwest, the Northeast, with some snow to boot. And this has been the zone that we've always watched. In fact, I honestly think, and we'll show you why, this hatched area needs to actually be moved. It needs to move a little farther to the south because that's where the crux of the cold, that's where the departures from average will be the most pronounced. Yeah, we've shown this graphic for a couple of days, but it's a little old. I think when we look at temperatures this morning, I mean, yes, south of the U.S.-Canadian border, we're sitting sub-zero.
Yeah.
It's very, very cold. But when we look at what the weekend will feature, it's going to be felt through a good chunk of the Midwest, affecting some of the larger cities like Chicago, into parts of Ohio, and then eventually into the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast.
It is wild to see over the past 24 hours. I mean, to wake up and to feel 30 to 40 degrees colder than the prior morning.
Yeah.
Everybody's furnace is working on overtime right now.
It's true.
It is very deep cold. And I think when you look at today, the deepening of the cold, the deepening of that trough as everything really sags south.
Yeah.
And to your point, where you find those purples is where we have some of the biggest departures from our typical December 12th temperature.
Yeah, I think when we look at it, the zone that has been highlighted here in the upper Midwest, by Sunday, we're going to see already some improvement.
Yeah.
I mean, it will still be very cold, but there will be this pool of some dangerously cold air that we'll see along the Ohio River Valley into parts of the Mid-Atlantic, where we're talking greater than 30 degrees off the average highs. For the cold weather that we're about to see, there are cold weather alerts that are in effect, which is good. I think that we sort of missed the mark. Was it last week that we had that first blast of cold air where we had wind chills here, -20 to -30. So with these cold weather advisories, even for the northern counties, it's something to pay attention to. And, this cold is going to have some staying power. I mean, we say it often, but throughout the weekend, we're going to feel the cold air really settle in.
Yeah, I mean, you see it spread out of the Midwest all the way into the Northeast. As one meteorologist with the New York office said, it edges out all prior cold air masses we've seen. So this really is the coldest part of the season so far coming in. But hey,